Hey everyone, just want to explain why there hasn't been a video in a few days. Garage is a mess. I have that big crap in here. A few days back, we had an accident. Oh, and I ended up hitting one of the dogs. I was pulling out with my truck, and several minutes before that, I watched the dog, my German Shepherd, walk away. I watched her walk towards the house. I don't know if you guys can tell on your end, but this video is getting paused a lot. Anyway, I went to go move my truck up, and she got out. She got underneath the tire. She's a 15-year-old German Shepherd with bad hips, and she really didn't stand much of a chance. I tried for a few days to see if I can get her to recover. She was still alive, but um, I figured she had some leg and hip damage, and she couldn't walk at all. I know the vets wouldn't do nothing because of her age and her history of hip problems. But so anyway, like you said, videos getting paused a lot. Anybody knows me knows I'm not a sensitive person. My kids and my dogs. But I protect my livestock. I take care of them every day. But my kids, my dogs, and my wife, don't get me wrong, they are the three joys of my life. When this dog came to us about 3 years ago, was attached to my daughter. She became her dog instantly. It just sucks. You know, we do what we can to protect our kids and protect our animals, and basically our animals are our kids. And sometimes we fail, and it sucks. But I put her down yesterday, and yeah, I put her down yesterday. I buried her in the yard. And it's just fucking with my head. It's been fucking with my head since day one. The garage is a freaking mess. I don't even give a shit about the garage right now. As you see, my tools laying on the floor. Cars are up in the air and haven't been touched. I was supposed to work on this one yesterday, and they said you just had the fuck you attitude towards it. I really just don't give a shit about the cars and trucks. But it just, I don't want to understand why she walked out back in front of my truck, but she did. And she literally had to lay down in front of the freaking tire because that's the only way I would have seen her. The truck was barely moving. And with these tires, the time I felt it and I heard her cry, it was too late. It was, she was at that point where there was lots of damage done. But it's just some fucked up shit. I was literally pulling out of the driveway here. The truck was turned around. I was backed in, and I moved the truck a foot, and there she was. But You know, it's just, I don't get it. It's been a few days. As you see, everything's messed out here. I just don't even give a shit. But I need to get my composure back. It may take some time. But that's why I haven't done no videos. I'm gonna try get something going. I know that's gonna be the only way that I fix myself in general. I thought I owed it to you guys to let you guys know why I haven't done no videos in the last few days. Uh, it's just I will try to get back into it the next day or two. But thank you guys. Bye.